Okay. It's an old tube radio, so it's going to take a little while to warm up. And we'll get things going here.
And then what do they do? So it's not that anyone's down on Fields necessarily. It's just when given the option of Fields or Caleb Williams, this is a conundrum.
Well,
to me, not really.
How the turntables have...
Yeah, exactly. Andrew Bogish is here. By the way, the poll question is...
которому казалось, что ведет сбор средств, но...
access to your financial transactions. This isn't just
I like the confusion.
Minnesota's got to be Cousins, right? Mag is a chaos agent over there.
I love it.
Kirk Cousins is